What's up, YouTube? Okay, so we're gonna go over 3 stupidly simple ways to make money with Google. And I'm gonna go over these 3 different methods. The method is applicable worldwide, okay? So it's gonna be really easy. So let's get on. We're gonna get on my computer. I'm gonna show you this step by step, and we're gonna try to make some money here. Let's do it. Hey gang, so in this video we'll be going over 3 ways to make money on Google. Let's hit my computer right here, and I'm gonna show you one of the best ways to make money with a Google website. And I'll show you how to set up a Google website and all that jazz. In fact, I'm gonna give you an offer for a free website right here, which is really exciting. Now, the first thing you need to do is you're going to need to sign up for a website. And I have a link to sign up for a website right in the description. No matter what you're doing in affiliate marketing, I don't talk a lot about this here, but I'm gonna be real with you here, is that if you wanna take your income to the next level, if you wanna make 6 figures online or whatever, you're gonna need a website, okay? Having a website is the foundation for really taking your income full-time as an affiliate marketer. I show a lot of methods where you can post links for free and all that jazz. And that's a great starting point to make your first couple $1,000s. But if you want to take this full time and if you want to have it automated and just work the internet working for you, you're going to need to get a website and you're going to have to set something up. And I have a great offer for you right here. For $3.95, you can get started with a website. In fact, they will build you your own website if you sign up through my link. And it's, again, only $3.95. So make sure you go to the link in the description. It's johncristani.com/coolhandle and sign up to get your website, because I'm going to be showing you how to get started next. Now, the next step is you're going to want to do reviews of products. You're going to want to rank in Google for product name plus review keywords. And let's go to Google and you search in Super Affiliate System Review, okay? And that's the name of my course. You'll see there is a lot of people buying advertising around my course, okay? People buying advertising. In addition to that, there are a lot of people who have done reviews of my products. Now, I can tell you from firsthand knowledge, these affiliates, these are top-ranked affiliates for my product, make thousands of dollars a month, because the reason is people searching for Super Affiliate System Review. This is the most high intent keyword. Let's back up a step here and let me explain what keyword intent is for a second. Now, if you look at keywords, they're keywords that people look for research. Let's use a keyword like make money online, right? A lot of people are saying make money online, okay? A lot of people search for that, but nobody's really gonna buy any products off of that keyword. This is just masses of people looking to do research, okay? People aren't gonna spend money on any product searching for this keyword. Whereas if you go a little down further, if people are looking for something like affiliate marketing training course, affiliate marketing course, that's a higher intent keyword. They're a little more knowledgeable about what they want. They want to have a training course that they're likely going to buy on affiliate marketing, but they may not buy. Whereas somebody who's searching for a keyword such as Super Affiliate System Review, that is somebody who's actually interested in potentially purchasing a product. That means they know the product that they're interested in and they might even want to purchase it. So in order to be ranked for those sorts of keywords in Google, here's some videos and here's some sites, you can make a lot of money. And what's great about my course is, obviously, if you want to get started, I'm not going to pitch my course here, but if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, really take stuff to the next level, mine is the best training course. We have ad templates for everything. Everything's done for you, and you can get started really quickly earning thousands of dollars a month. So not going to go too deep into that, but it's highly rated for a reason. Now, these are all people who have reviewed my product, who talk about how it works, and they have their affiliate link here, and they make a lot of money because this is a highly targeted keyword. Now, how can you do this? Okay. Well, what you do is you go to this site called Muncheye, muncheye.com, and you can find other products that are being released, other online training products that are being released on the internet which you can review. If you don't have the product, you can review the product owner. You can review information about the product. And here's an example. So here's a product by Omar Martin called Commission Experts, okay? Let's find a higher priced product. Let's find Mark Ling Overnight Freedom. So if we put up a site reviewing this product, we can make anywhere from $250 to $1,250 just for ranking for the word Overnight Freedom Review. Is this making sense? And let me know in the comments, is this just flying over your head or is this not? Because usually, you know, I'm trying to pack some of my more advanced training into like a small video, but we'll see how it goes. So Overnight Freedom right there, okay? And you click it, and this is the keyword you would want to rank for. Here's an information. This is called the affiliate page. Every affiliate program has what's called an affiliate page or a JV page, which explains why you should be an affiliate for that product. Now you see here, you can make a lot of money. They're saying, oh, look, you can make a lot of money promoting it. And what they want you to do is basically be an affiliate for them. And you would set up a site, Freedom Review, and you'd rank for a keyword such as Overnight Freedom Review. And there's a lot of money in ranking for product review keywords. Now, if you don't want to do education products, you could rank for products that are skincare products or other types of products that are being released. But these are the money keywords, okay? You don't want to try to rank for generic keywords. You want to rank for the money keywords. That's, again, where the money is. Just to give you an idea, the way I kind of sum this up is make money online, that keyword is worth $1, whereas affiliate marketing course keyword might be worth $2 if you rank your website for it, whereas super affiliate system review, that keyword might be worth way more, okay? So all the money is in the very targeted keywords. And when you start a site, and you could get a free website when you sign up for Cool Handle, is you will one-click install your blog, you just follow the instructions after you sign up, and you can start writing articles very quickly. Now what I'm gonna go into is 3 methods of how you can get links to the site, because it's not about writing articles, this is about getting your site ranked. So how do you get it ranked? So there's 3 ways you can get links to your site. You can purchase backlinks from a site called Fiverr. You can also use Facebook. You can create a Facebook page, and you can also create a YouTube page for the product that you're trying to rank for. So how would you do this? This is all going to help your site get ranked. So what we would do is we would go to Fiverr.com, and this is a great site, Fiverr.com, and what we're going to search for is backlinks. And you know, the way websites work is if you get backlinks, it pushes your site up higher in the rankings. And you can purchase backlinks. As you see, there's all sorts of places you can purchase backlinks, you know, from Fiverr. You know, I would start small. I would start with few backlinks. And, you know, if you really want to go into this, there's a lot of stuff you can learn. You can Google some more advanced information, because I don't have the time in this video to go over everything. But let's say we want to say, you know, this person will do manual backlinks with, you know, it's $5. So I'm going to click this, and I would purchase backlinks. They're giving 20 backlinks for $5. And this person has very good reviews on Fiverr. As you see, thousands of reviews and over 50,000 satisfied clients. So that's pretty good social proof saying that this person is the real deal, and these links should work fairly well, okay? So you would do that. The second method that you would get backlinks is you would literally start a Facebook page, okay? So how to start a Facebook page is you would go on Facebook and you would go down here to Pages, okay? Click that button. And in the top right corner, you would want to click this, which says Create Page, okay? Right there. And you can create a page. You can just walk through the steps for a page, and you can name it Overnight Commission Review, right? Because that's the keyword you're trying to rank for. And then you just continue going through the steps. So you don't need to enter all that information. I was just trying to be quick, and create a page. And that's going to create a high authority backlink for your website. Again, all these links show Google. They say, oh, it's got a Facebook page. It's got a YouTube channel. Oh, this is an authoritative site. And what also happens is your Facebook page will get ranked for that keyword. Let's move onwards. You can also create a YouTube channel for free. So even though you had to pay $5 for Fiverr links, you can create a YouTube channel for free. Now, once you're on YouTube, all you would do to create a channel is you would go to this upper right corner. And if you don't already have a channel, obviously I do have a YouTube channel. You would click this and it would say create a channel, okay, right over there. And you'd be able to create a YouTube channel, and you'd be able to post your links in places. So if you see here, I can click customize channel now that I have a channel, and I can create backlinks. I could call my channel Overnight Commission Review, and I could put up links here. I could do, I could click edit links, or right here, and I could put in links that go back to my Google blog, the website you just registered with CoolHandle. So there's a lot of things you can do, very easy to get good high quality backlinks. And you could also put up a video review. So that way you've just created a vortex of social proof that shows Google to rank your site higher. You got some backlinks, you have a YouTube page linking to your blog, you have a Facebook page linking to your blog, and you have a video. If you post a video on your YouTube talking about the program, now you have another video. You have both your YouTube channel and your video linking back to your blog, and they're all promoting this program where you can make $1,000, commission from. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was a bit of a primer to kind of SEO, which is kind of a boring subject, but there's a ton of money in it and people don't really understand it and, or take the time to understand it. But this gives you a kind of a primer to how to make money with SEO. You want to go after very targeted, high intent, buyer keywords. You want to get those backlinks, and you want to set up other social media to get high quality links and have everything linked back to your site. And that will help you rank higher in the internet.